everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY I will be building a storage unit, and it's for the bathroom, and I'm going to use 8 of these to get this unit built. Again, this is for the bathroom and it's a request. I pictured something in my mind that would be relatively quick and easy to build. We are going to need 8 of these. We're going to need some tower blocks, and I'm going to be using 3 of these wood panels from Dollar Tree. Everything is from Dollar Tree. These are from the $3 and $5 section. Once I build the unit, you can determine if you want to do it exactly the same way or make it taller, shorter, or even use more shelves. So it's up to you. But yeah, let's get started. Oh, and we're gonna need some wood glue. And this came from Dollar Tree as well, but I'm not really trusting it because I've already glued some of these boards together. One came apart. I have some Gorilla brand wood glue, and it was just really sticky at the bottom, so I'm using the stick to loosen it up some and get some out, but I'm gonna have to get a new container. So the first thing I want to do is just line these up. I also have some tape that will hold this in place while it dries. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the tape underneath here. So I'm going to take some of my glue. It's kind of gloppy looking, but it should be okay. So I'm just going to line these up right on top of the tape. And I'm just going to remove the extra glue that's seeping out with my finger. And now I'll put my tape across this. It's going to help hold it in place while the wood glue sets up. But I'll take this off camera. I'm going to come back and glue one of my wood blocks right in the center. But for now, I want to glue one near the bottom. But I don't want it to be at the very bottom. Let's just line this up to use as a guide. So now I'll take another one of my tower blocks, put some glue on it, and put it right against this block. After about 20 minutes, I'll come in and remove this block just in case some of this glue got onto that block. I just want to have a little bit of space down here. This is going to hold our bottom shelf, if you guys are curious. So I'm going to let this dry for about 30 minutes and then come back and add a block here and then move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back, and I went ahead and removed that bottom block from here. I want to go ahead and put a block in the center where these two pieces meet, and put some more of the wood glue right on top. And you want to put this right in the center of where both pieces meet. Here I have another one that's already dry. This piece is the same as that piece. Now I want to add another piece up top, so let me flip this around. So now I'm going to take the shelf that I'll be using, and I'm going to line it up. It's kind of hard, guys. I need to get a larger desk. I'm going to line it up with the top of my stick. I'm just making sure that it's evenly lined up. Now I'm just going to hold it down. I'm going to take this pencil and mark it just like that. Now I'm going to take another block and glue it just beneath that line or on the line. And now I take my shelf and just try it to make sure. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to let all of that dry. Let me go ahead and remove the tape off this one. Okay, so once it dries, you have a piece that looks like this. I'm going to put a B right here so I'll know this is the bottom. This piece is the bottom. Down here is the bottom on this piece. I'm going to allow all the glue to dry for about 2 hours, and I'm also going to remove these stickers. And then I'm going to paint each piece silver. I'm also going to take my 3 shelves outside and spray paint these silver as well. When I come back, I have 4 silver legs and 3 silver shelves. Alright guys, so I see. Hi guys, I'm back and I want to show you my 4 legs. I really didn't have to spray paint it before I put it together, but I did. I put tape on the bottom to let me know that these are the bottoms because the bottom and the tops are similar. Now, I also picked up some more Gorilla wood glue from Target. So what I want to do now is just go ahead and start putting this together. Here's one of my shelves. I spray painted silver, but again, you can actually wait. Yeah, that piece is trying to come up, so let's just tape that down. And then, like I said, we'll come back in and put some kind of covering over this. So I'm just going to put this here for now. I'm just going to go ahead and stand these pieces up. I wish I had a larger workspace. I don't, so I'm having to do my best with what I have here. So what I'm going to do is add some wood glue right here. Okay, now, unless you have someone to help you hold your pieces together, then you will need to do exactly what I'm doing now, and that is I want to drill a pilot hole here so that I can put a screw from here into the leg. So I'm going to use my Dremel, and you can use a drill also, but my drill is acting up. So I'm just going to drill a pilot hole so that my wood does not split. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole in each one of these corners. And I'm going to do this in all 3 of my shelves. Okay. Here I found some screws at Dollar Tree. And I think these will work fine. I guess I have to use this one. So I might. I need to go ahead and add some glue here, here. I want to go ahead and put the next shelf on for stability, like so. Very important, you have to line everything up before you start to nail the other parts in. So line everything up perfectly. Here's the shelf from top to bottom. Let me give you a closer view. I went ahead and removed the screw that was in there because it didn't go all the way in. I might put a shorter one in there, but everything is pretty sturdy. But yeah, that's it. So what I'm going to do now is start decorating. Now, to decorate mine, I'm going to use some of this bling that I picked up from, excuse my nails y'all, I'm in the midst of putting the color on this one. But yeah, to decorate mine, I'm going to put some of this bling that I picked up from Amazon right down the center. So I'm just going to measure and cut. And with this particular bling, I can use the hot glue. I'm just going to put the hot glue right here on these rectangles. So now I can just go ahead and continue to add the hot glue. And then I'm going to take 1 roll of mirror towel and put it on each side. Now you don't have to decorate yours this way. You can do whatever you want. If you're not into bling, you can just build it. You can also use gold leaf or silver leaf on there, red leaf. They have them in different colors, y'all. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. And depending on where you place it, you only have to decorate 2 legs if you want to. You know, if the back part is going to be against the wall, then you only have to do the front 2 legs. I'm going to continue to go all the way down. I'll do the other side as well and then come back. And I'll put this on the first, second, and the third tier as well. Okay guys, so I decided to put some tape right on top of each shelf. I put some here and here. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some here and here. And to make sure that it stays down, I'm going to use some of this Mod Podge. And I picked this up at Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to brush some right on top. So simple. Okay, so I'm doing this to the second shelf and the third. And on the top shelf, I'm going to put mirror tile. But meanwhile, let me just turn this around. Remember, this is the side. And this is going to be the side that's displayed. So this is going to be the front. And I'm just going to decorate the front with the same thing that I used to decorate the sides. Only thing is I just cut the pieces that I had in half. And I'm going to glue this right inside here. Now I'll take one strip of mirror towel and glue it right down the side. But I also need to glue a piece right at the very top. Okay guys, so it's taking me a few days to finish this because, as some of you already know, my granddaughter is sick. I've been having to take care of her. So when I was able to work, I would come in here and just do some other things. A lot of things I'll show you once I take it off the table and put it low so you can see it. One of the things I did, I went back to Dollar Tree and I found this contact paper. Oh, on the back it says wallpaper. And I've already cut it to size, and I'll show you the design again. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the back, line it up and glue it down. Now, I really want to use mirror, so I'll probably go on Amazon and get some of the plastic mirrors that they have, cut it to size, and then put it on here. For the center, I'll be using this tile decals, really decorative. And I think it matches well with the paper. And I'm just going to center it. You can measure if you want to. I'm just going to eyeball it. I could probably lean this, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But that's what the design looks like. You'll see it once I put everything on the floor. For the bottom of my shelf, I use some of those little round rubber feet thingies to put on the bottom. But you guys know what those are. I just attached some of those onto the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in place and let you guys see what it looks like. And as promised, here's my completed bathroom storage unit, which honestly can be used anywhere that you need extra storage, and it can also be used to display your decor. I only spent $19 to build this unit using Dollar Tree products. Now to decorate it, it will cost you a little more, but most crafters already have a nice selection of decorative things that we can add to a piece like this. Of course, you don't have to add bling to yours. You can stain it, you can paint it, you can design it to suit your taste. Comment below if this is something that you'd be interested in making. And if so, How would you decorate yours? Okay, Glam fam, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. Also, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.